PNC Business Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? Most business owners assume all business credit cards are similar, but the PNC Business Credit Card offers a unique mix of rewards, flexibility, and expense management. The surprising truth is that it's designed for businesses of all sizes, helping streamline payments while earning rewards. You earn points on all purchases, with higher rates in categories like office supplies, travel, and dining. These points can be redeemed for statement credits, travel, or gift cards, making the card practical for day-to-day business spending. There's no annual fee for certain tiers, though premium options with higher rewards do carry fees. Employee cards are available with customizable spending limits, which is perfect for managing teams without losing control over finances. The card also integrates with PNC's business banking platform, giving real-time tracking of purchases, expense categorization, and reporting. Interest rates are competitive, but as with any credit card, carrying a balance can erode the value of rewards. It's best used for businesses that can pay off monthly statements promptly. Verdict: worth it for businesses seeking rewards, expense tracking, and financial flexibility. Leave it if you rarely use a business credit card or prefer no-fee options with simpler rewards.